Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Shilpa Shell. I'm Shalda Nahal. Today I'm going to show you how you can make 6 different coasters with the 6 different decoupage papers. Papers which I had used are decoupage paper, rice paper, newspaper, magazine paper, tissues and printouts. These coasters are fully designed from the front as well as from the back, and these are ready to use. Guys, if you like my work, then please like and share my videos and subscribe my channel too, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon. At the very first, I'm taking this MDF 6 coasters. Guys, always keep in mind, whenever we are taking a MDF or a wooden base, we have to do sanding first. Then proceed further with the gesso. जब भी आप रेडीमेड जेसो यूज करो, try to mix a little bit of water in it, क्योंकि जेसो बहुत थिक होता है. जेसो करने के बाद जब ये ड्राई हो जाए तो इसकी लिटिल बिट सैंडिंग जरूर करें ताकि आपका एक्स्ट्रा जेसो निकल जाए. When it becomes a plain and a smooth surface, then do coloring on it. I'm using chalk colors from iCraft. You can do acrylic colors too. I'm doing coloring part on the front only because I have to do a darker color at its back, but later on. As I had told you that I'm using 6 different types of decoupage papers on 6 different coasters. So this is a printout. Guys, this is one of a cutting technique of a decoupage papers, and I had shown this cutting technique many more times in my YouTube videos as well as in my live sessions too. Now I'm pasting this decoupage printout on this coaster. Do the sanding to cut these leftovers, and the sanding is the best option to do this cutting. Always apply the 2 layers of the Mod Podge on these papers so that the paper will never come out. Now I'm using a magazine paper. Between these 2 papers, I have selected this white one. Pasting procedure is same as I have done in the first one. The third coaster I am making is of newspaper, and I am taking this cartoon piece गाइस पेस्टिंग टेक्निक के लिए मैंने 3 डिफरेंट पेपर्स मैंने लिए थे जो मैंने आगे कभी भी शो नहीं किए थे. वन वाज प्रिंट आउट, अदर वन वाज ए मैगजीन पेपर एंड द थर्ड इज न्यूज़पेपर. बाकी मैंने पहले भी शो की है, इसलिए ये वीडियो को लंबी ना हो जाए इसलिए मैंने इस बार ये शो नहीं किए. Guys, one thing you should always keep in mind, procedure of pasting is always same. Only a little bit difference is there in pasting tissue, decoupage tissue, but I had already shown it many of the times in my videos and in my live sessions. So in this video I'm not going to show decoupage tissue because वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा और मैं इसे बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं करना चाहती. I had pasted a professional decoupage paper on this coaster और अब मैं इस पर कलरिंग करने वाली हूँ. Guys, coloring always plays a big role in giving a finishing touch to each and every decoupage. This coaster is made with the rice paper. I'm putting some splashes of white color on it to give it a finishing touch. This coaster is made of a decoupage tissue. Guys, with this coloring technique, I'm only trying to show how you can enhance your decoupage paper, colors of decoupage paper. Now this is something very beautiful. जो न्यूज़पेपर होता है उसके जो कलर्स होते हैं वो थोड़े से डल होते हैं और हम उन कलर्स को कैसे इनहांस कर सकते हैं विद आवर कलर्स. Now you can see how dull color of this newspaper becomes a brighter one with this coloring technique. अब बारी है इसके बैक को पेंट करने की. आई एम डूइंग विद दिस डैबर. यू कैन यूज अ स्पॉन्ज, यू कैन यूज अ ब्रश और मैं इसे कर रही हूँ डार्क पर्पल चॉक कलर से which I had used at its sides too. When we are not applying gesso at its base, then do the chalk paint and do 2 coat of coloring. I'm layering a second coat of Mod Podge on these papers. Now I'm going towards the next step and using Ecuador PU varnish of Asian Paints, and I think this is the best varnish. और varnish आपको तब करना है जब आपका Mod Podge पूरी तरह से अच्छे से सूख जाए. And do apply at least 3 coats of varnish on the one side of the coaster, because coaster is a product which can be used in a kitchen. So आप इसकी जो varnish की layers हैं वो एक को अच्छे से सूखने के बाद दूसरी कीजिएगा. So guys, my coasters are completed now. और मुझे प्लीज़ बताइए कि आपको मेरे coasters कैसे लगे हैं. और अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आए हो, then please like and share my video and to subscribe my channel too, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon for the upcoming notifications of my videos. Guys, मैं live sessions भी लेती हूँ, मैं Instagram पे भी upload करती हूँ. So do follow my Instagram and do follow my FB page for my live sessions. Thank you so much. Namaste.